In this video, we're gonna try to understand the Welsh language. See some of the local wildlife. And explore the beautiful countryside of Wales.
Oh my god, it feels like not real.
Look, I'm feeding a horsey, and I named him John.
This is where we stay. Oh, this is so
There is a lot of sheep in Wales. Lots and lots and lots and lots of sheep. This is where we're staying. It looks basically like a farm. I'm gonna show you where we're gonna sleep. And this is our cottage we're sleeping in, so I'm gonna show you a house tour. Here's the kitchen, and we have lots of snacks. And this is my dog, Fluffy. He's very fluffy. That's why we named him Fluffy. Here's the lovely living room, and my sister's playing. And here's the fireplace. It's not a real fire, but it's hot. And you can turn the lights up and on, up and on. And over here, you see the windows are over, like very low, because it's a cottage. It's not like a normal house. Okay, and this is where you put candles. Here is the bedroom. Let me test if it's comfier. And our cottage is made out of slate and stone. All Welsh houses are made out of this. And this is our cottage, and it's very cozy. Okay.
Is yours a boy? Right.
Does yours have a mustache?
Okay. Free house, drawbridge, or fairy godmother's factory. I already have the factory, so drawbridge.
Where's the drawbridge?
Okay, I'm the donkey. We need the draw.
Little bitty brick.
The next day we went to the waterfall. It was very beautiful. They also say it's one of the 7 wonders of Wales. We're gonna see the big waterfall. We're going up the mountain to see this beautiful waterfall.
Stop. Big beard. Fell over, but lucky me, I survived.
We're near the waterfall, and I also almost died because when we were going to there, I was trying to go up by myself, but it was too slippery, so I almost hit my head on the rock. Next, we're gonna climb Mount Snowden, but we arrived too late. So we just looked at it from the bottom.
That's Snowden.
Overall, I think Wales is a beautiful place.